hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So bad when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody but you. And I used to be on my relationship. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. Want us to make it. I'll trade it all for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody but you. And I used to be on my relationship. Now switch it out so damn quick. If you ain't getting fit, my shit. But it just ain't like that with you. I even had tried that shit with you, boy. But I was done. Gotta try something new, boy. I don't know what I'll do. I was tired of wasting time. You were never gonna change your mind. Tired of hearing all your lies. But I wanna leave you lonely, so I come crawling back, hoping it won't be